Got an extension, 5/8 spark plug socket with a magnetic ring in there that keeps a spark plug captive. Love that design. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That one's broken free. Getting the ring back onto the coil pack. Two things I'll be using. You have a dielectric silicone paste. I'm going to put it into the coil packs. And then I'm going to use a nickel-based anti-seize. This really helps with different metals, be that iridium or platinum, going into aluminum head or a steel head. Just found this stuff works awesome. You could use a copper-based one. It just makes more sense to use nickel, which is more conducive to different metals. Links in the description will be down there for both of these. Have the spark plug here, have the anti-seize. What I do, I'll start in the middle, just start coating it. You don't want to get any on the tip right here. You don't have to put tons of this stuff on, just a little bit light coating and you're good to go. Alright, so don't overdo it, don't get it on the electrode, and you're set. Okay, next thing I like to do, I have a 6-inch 3/8 hose, just a rubber hose. I'll go ahead and guide this down into here. I hate dropping the spark plugs down in here. I see guys drop them down and they tighten them up. You could damage this tip right here, so this is why I do this. And I lead it down, right? And you can actually feel it when it grabs on the threads. Okay, it grabbed. And then I just run it down until it bottoms out, and I go to the next one. That way I know I'm not getting the tip's not getting damaged when I drop it down there. Because going this far into the car, I mean, it's not the hardest thing, but it's not the easiest thing as well. So just take your time, do it right. Next one's all loaded up. Guide that down in there. Okay, that one's in. Now let me show you. Take my 5/8 spark plug socket down, guide that in there. It's locked in. Now you don't have to put a whole bunch of torque on this. You don't have to put a whole bunch of strength when you tighten these things down, okay? Let's see. Going the right way. Okay, so there it is. I can feel it bottomed out, right? There's a new crush washer on these spark plugs, so that has to collapse. So I'm going to show you. I'm right here at what? The 9 o'clock position. You can actually feel it over time. So not there yet. 1 o'clock. 9. Okay, it crushed. Maybe the 11. That's it. That's all you do. So let's do it to this one. Start at the 9, go to the 1, and to the 11. Can't go all the way because the firewall's in the way. Okay. 1-ish. Back at the 9. No, I'm not going to make it to noon. There. It's good. That's all you got to do. Okay. Now I take my dielectric. A little bit of that. Put it into the coil pack. Right there. Lead it down. And you're good to go. Put the bolt back on, snug it down, and you're done. So I only have 5 more remaining. But that's what you do. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with showing you every single one. But that is what you do. Take your time, be thorough, you shouldn't have any problems.